What up, YouTube? This is my 96 YUKON GT 2-door. It's got 20 by 12s with 33s on it. It's got 11 kit up front, and then it's got 4-inch blocks in the rear. It's got barn doors on it. Two Scar 15-inch EVLs. They aren't hooked up right now, but still debating if I'm gonna hook them up or sell them. The whole truck's probably gonna be for sale here soon. It's pretty clean. It's got a couple little rust spots, nothing too crazy. Wheels and tires are like new. Got the fog lights, LED light bars, LED headlights, full interiors LED. It's leather. And it's dirty right now. I didn't even clean it before I took this video. You know, little tear. Driver's seat's got a seat cover on it. Rear's clean. Don't mind the mess in here. It's got the 5.7 Vortec. Pretty solid. It's got a couple little spots, but nothing crazy. Like the bottom of the doors. Nothing crazy at all. Pretty solid for compared to what they usually are out here in the Midwest. Just did a bunch of work to it. It's got front and rear seals on the rear end, new cover, new fuel tank, fuel lines, U-joints. I don't even know what else off the top of my head. I got a lot done to it. Pop the hood and show you under there. Bunch of new AC shit. Runs good, drives good. Let me know what you guys think. I know I ain't been posting on YouTube a lot, and I don't know if my subscribers are mainly coming from the fish content or the car content, but my channel's kind of all over the place. Let me know what you guys think. And if you're interested in this car, shoot me a message on Instagram. It's Bisboy 1508, and get you sorted out. I'm located in Illinois, but I'm sure for the right price I could deliver it wherever. Love this truck, but got a family now. It's hard to load little man in the back seat and whatnot, so